Almost every client I've ever worked with, the first question they ask me is my family going to be okay? And it's a huge responsibility that we take on, and we're proud to take on, to make sure that their families will be provided for in case they lose their loved one. They want to make sure that their story is told and that the people that are responsible for this disease are held responsible by courts, jurors, or if they hold themselves responsible by agreeing to settle the case, which by and large, they do.
Insurance and expenses, things add up. And people don't realize that, once the bills start coming in, a lot of people that I speak with for a long time just aren't interested. And then when they see the bills, then they change their mind and they realize that there's these cases for a reason, to hold these people accountable. They're not, going against mom and pop businesses. They're going against these big corporations that made these products, knowing that they can cause cancers and conditions, and they just want to make money. And this is the best way to, hold them accountable.
And it's our duty from the first day the phone rings until the case is completely settled and resolved to make sure that our clients are comfortable, are well represented, and protected against some of the biggest corporations in the world that are responsible for bringing on the disease of mesothelioma. If you or a loved one have been diagnosed with mesothelioma, the Mesothelioma Veterans Center and Simmons Hamley Conroy can help.